Hello guys, many of a truck driver and complain that their tailgate does not open and sometimes pull upside as much as they can, even doesn't work the tailgate, and then sometimes unlock the one side. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix it. If you have option tailgate step, you need to first remove a step handle T45 and then remove this bolt or strap it, but doesn't care. This bolt removed and the wiggle pops out step handle and then put aside. And then now next remove the tailgate cover. The size is T30 or 13 bolt, and then remove the 13 tailgate plastic cover. And then you can see that inside the tailgate, the actuator center connect to the door actuator, the tailgate handle, and then both sides of the door edge, and then also connect to the moving rod. Now I can show the lubricated all the moving and connecting, and then hold back the tailgate handle with moving actuator, lubricate all the moving area, even other latch side moving right here, and then and on other side also spray lubricate. Even doesn't matter WD-40 and other ventilated, always fine. Just soak, just lubricate all area, all moving parts. Also outside locking latch area, and then spray the lock. Yeah, I know it's never spray the other most horrible drivers. Now, and then I can show the adjust the rod. You can see that one rod is to the right side, another rod is left side. It pops out rocking tab, and then slightly 1 and 2 millimeter shorten this moving rod. And then you can, I did this one bottom, and then you can do that all upside. Now I try that. It always works perfectly open and close. Thank you for watching.